Welcome to the Crypto Infinity channel where we try to help you find infinite ways to make money. My name is Hector and my goal is to help you reach financial freedom. Now before we get started, go hit the like and subscribe. Not a financial advisor, but now let's get started with your daily market update. So we have the market cap sitting at 2.16 trillion. We're up almost 0.5% over the last day. We have Bitcoin sitting at 46,000, Ethereum sitting at 3,500, Solana sitting at 133, Terra Luna sitting at 115, Cardano $1.21. We see Terra Luna and Cardano have flipped XRP in market cap value. So XRP is sitting at 82 cents with 39,882,000,000 in market cap. So again, I do remain bullish on XRP, but again, it has been flipped to number 9. But now let's get on with Chronos. CRO is at 48 cents. We have Algorand sitting at 88 cents right here. That's a good buy, good entry point. Stellar, 23 cents, another good entry point coin. Hedera, 23 cents, another good entry point as well. Again, not a financial advisor, so do your own research, and let's get on with the crypto bubbles. So we have GMT here, keeps on pumping for the week. We have it at $2.28. It was $1.40 at the beginning of the week. So it did peak at about $3.08. We have dipped down for a little bit, but again, I do believe it will keep on pumping for the rest of the week. We have Celo here, Near, Zilliqa, Audio, GLMR, Comp, Aave, PancakeSwap, Solana, Luna. So again, all these coins are in the green. We do have some in the red, like ApeCoin here. We have Waves as well, $33 from 62 is high. But again, I do remain bullish on the market. So now let's take a look at the XRP charts. We do have XRP again at 82 cents. Our technical saying is a neutral time. So again, I will keep on accumulating. But again, that's just my opinion. We do see we have that double top right here. And I do believe we have that upward momentum going upwards, and we will keep on going bullish and pass the dollar within the coming days. So this is on the 4-hour chart. We'll just have to wait and see what happens. We take a look at the Ethereum chart. Ethereum has just been pumping. This is from March 14th until now. It's been about close to 3 weeks, but it went from 2,500 to 3,500. So we are up on Ethereum. Again, it's just been running up, making higher lows every time. But again, I do believe with the merge, Ethereum will go up in price and in market cap value and might surpass Bitcoin. If we take a look at the Bitcoin charts, we have Bitcoin sitting at 46,600. Again, I do believe that we have held that support of 45,000 that I called a couple weeks ago. So I did say if we hold that 45,000, we will remain on the bullish side. So if you see here, we've just been making higher lows as well, keep on going up, and we've held that support line right here at 45,000. So our technical saying is a good time to buy, but again, not financial advice. So the reason I say that I remain bullish is some news that are coming out. So signs of Bitcoin accumulation suggest Bitcoin's dip to 45,000 will be short-lived. So again, like I said, I did make that call a couple weeks ago that if we held that 45,000 support line, we will head on up to about 50,000 and possibly new all-time highs. So the bears took a hefty swing at Bitcoin price on April 4th, but traders say on-chain and technical analysis data point towards a short-lived correction where investors choose to accumulate on each dip. The crypto market rally that began on April 1st ran into tough resistance on April 4th, sparking a market-wide pullback during the afternoon session after exhausted bulls were overwhelmed by bears who managed to push Bitcoin to about 45.2. The data from Cointelegraph shows that once the afternoon sell-off broke below support at 46,000, the price of BTC hit a daily low of 45,100 before buyers emerged to bid it back above 45.7. So again, we do remain at 46 right now. So again, if we do hold that 46,000 support line, 45, 46 is a healthy correction. So I do believe we will head on upwards. Keep on going up. This trend line here. So as long as we bounce off that support, we should be fine. So again, flipping resistance is a support. April's fourth weakness on the Bitcoin chart was spotted early by crypto trader, and the following chart noted that its price was starting to reverse with the 4-hour candle coming close to the bottom of the channel. So again, we took a look at the chart here. We did keep on going up and then kind of bottomed out here, and then now we're heading on our way up. Could we slip to 44,000? Possibly, but if we do, I don't think it gets any deeper. The only thing that is concerning is maybe tax selling. Saw some last year. So again, I did state in my video, I believe it was yesterday, that April is a good month for crypto. Usually, it'll take off during the month of April. But we will see that sell-off come like towards like June, end of May, June, July. We will see that dip that probably will be pretty significant. A more general explanation of the current price action was offered by on-chain data analyst Matthew Hyland, who posted the following chart outlining the major support and resistance levels for Bitcoin in its current price range. So again, the key prices, the support is 33, 36, 39. And I did say it was about 45, 46. But I made that call a couple weeks ago at 45,000. That if we hold that support line, we'll be headed up. So our next support line will be around 50 to 52. And once we head on there, we should be making our way back to all-time highs. So there's been heavy signs of heavy accumulation. Insight into which players in the market have been most actively accumulating Bitcoin lately was discussed in the most recent newsletter from on-chain analysis firm Glassnode, which noted that shrimp and whales are the most aggressive accumulators of late. On the whale side, Glassnode pointed to large public buyers such as the Luna Foundation Guard and MicroStrategy, which have renewed their emphasis on Bitcoin as pristine collateral and have commenced serious accumulation over the last 2 weeks. This whale accumulation can be seen in the red highlighted box on the following chart, while smaller buyers have been the heavy accumulators since late January with smaller balances. So go ahead and take a look at the chart right here. But now let's get on to the next article. Ledger partners with the SandBox to promote crypto education in the metaverse. So this is pretty huge for the metaverse and for the SandBox as well, which is one of the major players in the metaverse. So we do have the SandBox and the Decentraland. Those are the two major players that are going on. We do have other metaverses, but like I said, those are the two major players. The French crypto wallet company Ledger will educate people about crypto security using the virtual reality of the SandBox. So crypto hardware wallet provider Ledger has partnered with the blockchain game the SandBox to promote crypto education. They announced the news at NFT conference on Monday. He said the new partnership aims to bring security into the SandBox world and provide Ledger with a place in the game to educate people about crypto. They thank SandBox and the company's co-founder and chief operations officer for this opportunity, noting that Ledger will provide Sand owners with custom Ledger Nanos as part of the partnership. So again, breaking news right here by Cointelegraph.
Really appreciate it. But I want to announce today that Ledger is partnering with the SandBox to bring security into the world of SandBox. Sand owners are going to get custom ledgers, and we're going to have a place in the SandBox where you can learn about security. At the end of the day, this is all about education, and please, each one teach one. It's important for all of us to make sure that these lessons that are basic about this incredible new invention of digital assets, this incredible new freedom of self-custody, and then we have the security that goes with it. So
again, this is huge for the Ledger and for the SandBox as well. Like I said, SandBox is a major player in the metaverse. So I do believe that we should see a pump anytime soon. But now let's get on to the next article. Elon Musk just became the Twitter's largest shareholder. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has taken a 9% stake in Twitter to become its largest shareholder after raising questions about social media platforms' dedication to free speech. Free speech, I doubt it, because me myself, I've been blocked off of Twitter for a while. But again, that's just That's out of my topic. But the ultimate aim of Musk's 73.5 million share purchase worth 2.9 billion based on the closing price Friday is not clear. Yet in recent weeks, Musk, who has 80 million Twitter followers and posts there often, has questioned free speech on Twitter. The regulatory filing Monday describes Musk as a long-term investor looking to minimize his buying and selling of his shares. He has also pondered starting a rival social media network, and industry analysts are skeptical about whether the Mercurial CEO would remain on the sidelines for long. We would expect this passive stake as just part of this to start broader conversations with the Twitter board management that could ultimately lead to an active stake and a potential more aggressive ownership role of Twitter. So we did see Twitter stock surge about 20% before the opening bell on Monday. Musk told his more than 80 million followers on Twitter that he was given serious thought to creating his own social media platform and has clashed repeatedly with financial regulators about his use of Twitter. So again, his Twitter stock purchase comes as Musk is locked into a bitter dispute with the SEC, which U.S. securities regulators, over his ability to post on Twitter. Musk's lawyer has contended in court motions that the U.S. SEC is infringing on the Tesla CEO's First Amendment rights. I'm not a big fan of the SEC due to the fact that they are suing Ripple, the company, and their CEO as well, Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larson. So again, I'm not a big fan of the SEC, but that's just my opinion. So the SEC disclosed that it is investigating Musk's November 6 tweets that asked followers whether he should sell 10% of his Tesla stake. The commission confirmed that it issued administrative subpoenas while investigating whether Musk and Tesla are complying with disclosure controls in the 2018 agreement. So again, this is an interesting topic to cover on. Again, Elon Musk just became the Twitter's largest shareholder. Should be pretty interesting. So Ethereum Whales piled into 5 altcoins this week amid crypto market turnaround. So this was from Saturday. So here we have Ethereum Whales have accumulated 5 altcoins as the crypto market improved over the last week. So they have been accumulating FTX token, Shiba Inu, Chainlink, the SandBox, and Wrapped Bitcoin. So again, the average purchase amount for Ethereum among the top 100 ETH wallets was more than 13.8 million. So again, the one that came number 1 is FTX token, and we've seen a lot of sponsors, especially with MLB. FTX token is huge with them. So Chainlink is another big token. So the top 100 ETH wallets bought more than 370,000 worth of Link on average. Fourth on the list was a popular meme coin, Shiba Inu. The top 100 richest ETH addresses purchased an average of 256,000 worth of SHIB in the past week. SandBox is another one. Again, I just stated this. Ledger has partnered with SandBox, and maybe they knew something was coming. That's why they've been buying the SandBox. So the top wallet's 5th favorite altcoin of the week was Sand, the native token for the blockchain-based gaming ecosystem, the SandBox. The top 100 addresses bought around 207,000 worth of Sand in the past 7 days. So Ethereum Whales have also been gobbling up Wrapped Bitcoin, a token pegged to the price of Bitcoin. The top 100 ETH addresses bought around 4.65 million worth of Wrapped Bitcoin in the past week on average. So again, those are a couple tokens that I do believe will pump pretty soon. They must know something that's going on that we don't. But again, that's just my opinion, and we'll just have to wait and see what happens. The last article for the day, we do have nearly half of crypto owners first bought digital assets in 2021 due to a survey that they did. So almost half of all crypto owners in the U.S., Latin America, and Asia Pacific purchased the digital assets for the first time in 2021, according to a new survey from U.S. crypto exchange Gemini. The survey of nearly 30,000 people across 20 countries, which was conducted between November 2021 and February 2022, shows 2021 was a blockbuster year for crypto, with inflation in particular driving adoption in countries that have experienced currency devaluation, the report found. Brazil and Indonesia lead the world in crypto adoption, Gemini found, with 41% of people surveyed in those countries reporting crypto ownership, compared with 20% in the US and 18% in the UK. Gemini also found that 79% of people who reported owning crypto last year said they chose to purchase the digital assets for the long-term investment potential. So again, this is a good thing to have in your portfolio, crypto. Like I said, I've said before, the earlier you're in, the more money you'll make. You just got to choose the right tokens. But again, that's just my opinion, not financial advice. But that is all that we have for the daily market update today. Thanks to each and every one of you. Remember, if you like the content, hit the like and subscribe. Make sure you share the video. Thanks, and until next time.